Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Trust Wallet syncing issues can be frustrating when you're trying to check your assets or make transactions. The good news is that most of these problems have straightforward fixes. Step 1. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Sometimes the issue isn't with the app itself but with your connection speed or stability. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Step 2. Next, force close the Trust Wallet app completely. On most phones, go to Settings, find the app, and select Force Stop. This clears the app's temporary cache and forces a fresh restart when you reopen it. Step 3. Update the app to the latest version. Open your device's App Store and check if Trust Wallet has any pending updates. Developers regularly release patches that fix syncing bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Clear the app's cache and data. Go into your phone settings, locate Trust Wallet, and clear both cache and data. Note that this will require you to import your wallet again using your recovery phrase, so have that ready before you do this. Step 5. Finally, try removing and re-adding your tokens manually. Sometimes individual tokens fail to sync while others work fine. Delete the problematic token from your wallet and add it back using its contract address. This refreshes that token's connection to the blockchain.